One, the noisiest one possibly we've got here. He is a little crested hawk, also known as a Pacific dazzler, but crested hawk is a lot easier to understand. Now, believe it or not, if you're a local, little crested hawks, I guess they're not common. You won't see them feeding on the roadsides like you do the kites and the big wedge-tailed eagles, but they are to be found up here. They're just really secretive little birds and can sometimes be quite hard to spot. Usually, the only giveaway is that really high-pitched little call that he is making. Yeah. Now, usually you don't see them sitting out on a perch like he is at the moment. He's far too vulnerable, but he feels pretty comfortable here at the moment. Where you usually would be finding these birds is way up in the treetops, really high up, and they like to camouflage themselves way up amongst the foliage. But the other reason that they're sitting up there way up high is because of what they eat is found way up in the foliage. They love green insects, green stick insects and grasshoppers and caterpillars, and they're always to be found right at the tops of the tree. So if you hear a little high-pitched call, it means that you've probably got a crested hawk somewhere in the vicinity. Now, a lot of the gardens in Darwin, they're quite old, they're quite established, and they often have those really big fig trees in them as well. And that's a fantastic place to find crested hawks because they're quite a strange little bird of prey. They also eat fruit. So what I might do, while he's on the glove, he's a bit noisy, but I'll just bring him past quickly because often he flies so quickly you don't get to see him closer. Now, of course, the first thing you notice about the crested hawk is his size. He's very small, only weighs about 240 grams. He's got quite small little feet, but they're really sharp, and that's what he uses to grab all those insects, and he also eats frogs. He's really pretty because of all the stripes on his chest and under his wings. And that gives him really good camouflage when he's up in the trees. It actually helps break up his body image when he's sitting up in the trees. You might notice he has got eyes either side of his head. Most of the birds we're showing you this afternoon have all got eyes forward facing like us,